stars stand still. The stars breathe its ancient will. Through the trees a shadow crawls. A voice it calls, a voice it calls. Whispers of the wild, they guide my feet. Drums of the earth, they set the beat. I follow the wind where it dances free. The whispers, they carry me. The river speaks in tongues of light. It twists and turns beneath the night. The stones, they sing in tones so deep. Secrets they keep, secrets they keep. Echo rise like smoke in the air. Dreams unravel, tangled and bare. The ground it shivers, the sky it sways. Lost in this haze, lost in this maze.